Hey, Jason here. I wanted to give you a quick demonstration of the software, and you're really going to love this software. And once you log in, you'll see your dashboard where you can just get a bird's eye view of all of your stats. You can see the subscribers, the coupons, number of redeemed offers. And what we want you to do, as soon as you log in, I want you to start going through right here the training videos that will get you to expert status in no time flat. Okay, very, very quick. But one thing I want to point to your attention is a couple of things really. You go into your general settings here, and this is where you would set your Twilio information. It connects to Twilio and your API, so it connects to all of your accounts. So you can either have one standard number to send out text messages, or you can have multiple. Okay, so it just connects with Twilio, so you're paying the lowest price on everything. But before we get into more of the demo, I want to point something out that needs to be said so your mind is in the right place when you're looking at this. This is more of a notifications type of system, not more of a marketing system. And I'll explain what I mean by that. This is geared at helping to improve the conversions of the offers that you run. Whereas an autoresponder, you can do marketing with, and like a text messaging platform, you can send out buy one get one free. You can do all of that here in the software, but it's really not designed that way. So as an example, let's just say that we are doing an offer for a birthday meal, buy one get one free, and let's say that today, as you can see, is Wednesday, and we fill out a form, which I'll just show you a form, and I'll show you some of the things that are on that form. I just want to point this out just so you know exactly what we're doing and where we're going here. All right. So let me go to an actual form. So I'm looking at a form now, and if you can see, it asks for some information: name, email, mobile, what day do you want to come, what time do you want to come, how many people in your party. This is for a reservation-based ad. So if I choose that I want to come on Friday, 2 days from now, what our system will do is it will send out timed follow-up and reminder messages, time reminder messages, based on the date that I made, which I completed on the form. So typically what we do is we'll send out an immediate text message and email, and then we'll send out one a day later, and then we'll send out another the day of. So in that flow, it helps significantly the actual show rate, the in-store conversion. The other component that we have is what we call a non-reservation model. So maybe you don't have a restaurant and you don't want to do that niche, but you do have a coupon. And maybe this coupon is $5 off or $10 off or whatever the offer is. So instead of the system in this mode tracking only from the date that they said they were coming in, the reservation date, now the system tracks from the date of submission. And then you're able to choose what day that coupon expires. Let's say it expires 3 days from now. So in this case, it expires on Saturday. So now you can send out timed follow-ups with scarcity-driven messages that say, hey, today's your last day to claim your coupon offer. Come in now. And the coupon actually does expire. It's really, really neat. So think of this as more of a notification system. And the other thing that I really love about this is you can schedule follow-up to get feedback as well. So maybe after a visit or after a reservation, you can schedule follow-up messages to do email and text. And I'll show you that too. So when you go and set up, let's go to the ad wizard. And when you go to ads management, this is where you create all your ads. It's a very, very simple wizard, a wizard that is extremely, extremely straightforward, and you'll be able to create campaigns very quickly. So you just enter the business name, let's just call this 123 Pizza, and then you just follow the steps here. So when you go to the ad type, you choose what type of ad it is. Is it reservation based or not? That dictates how the follow-up and reminder systems will flow. So let's just say this is a yes here. It has third-party URLs, which is more advanced as well. You just choose the form that you created, We just kind of went to a form as an example there to show you. And then you can direct to a thank you page. That thank you page can go to the businesses, back to their Facebook page or to their website, or maybe to another coupon offer, or what we just do is typically to a thank you page. So there's other things you can do here. You add your images, Facebook information here. You can connect it to an autoresponder as well. So if you want to connect it to an autoresponder, you can. You don't have to because the system does all this for you, but I do recommend that you connect it because it does put your client in a position to start to market to these people long term via email. Okay. Then the email section, this is very simple. So everything is designed pretty much the same way, and our clients love this section here. So this is where you would just put the business's name and to notify them to say, hey, you got a new lead. If you notice at the bottom here, you can put in the person's name, their email, their phone number, the reservation date, reservation time. This is good because depending on the type of restaurant you want to work with, you may work with a higher level, with higher transaction ticket type of businesses where the actual business or their staff may want to confirm or call these leads that are coming in. The great part is they're being notified. They can be notified via email or by text. Like I have clients that they don't check their emails, so they like to see the lead notifications via text message, which is really cool. So then you have your immediate text that goes out upon them opting in, and same thing, very simple, very nice editor here. And then you can have your emails and then your SMS text and your email subject line. Is very, very simple, you all. Same thing with the reminder. So it's very quick to put this together to build these campaigns out so you're off and running extremely fast. Then you can put in Facebook code as well. So Facebook code and Google Analytics code, this allows you to build an audience that you can continue to help your clients deliver even better results and even charge a whole new service for, because there's value in building an actual asset, an audience of to be able to do retargeting type ads, and just very specific ads of people that actually subscribe. So that's more advanced stuff here, but just to let you know, the system does that. We have something that I really think you'll like as well, and we have a coupon creator. Okay, so you're able to create some beautiful coupon pages, and the reason why I like this is because you're able to see like redemptions as an example. You can see the total redemption. So if I go here, you can see as an example how this looks. This is a coupon that will disseminate via text message and email. And what we have here is you can create these nice coupons, but they're trackable. So if I wanted to redeem this, it says make sure your server is present to verify, right? You can change that message as well. And then you just hit OK. And the system tracks it, so you're able to prove more ROI just for what are in-store conversions, what are actually conversions, what are we doing, how are we helping the effectiveness of your marketing, how is the effectiveness of your marketing to gauge growth. So it's very important. So you can even look at the redemptions here as well. It has some map locations as far as where it's coming from, the IP address and the city. I mean, it shows the date as well. It's very solid stuff here. So we have this nice coupon builder that tells you all of this stuff, all the redemptions. And of course, you're able to build out these nice pages with trackable coupons, but you can also export all of this data and the information per campaign inside of your system. And if you see here, it'll tell you, like the yellow, it says coupon redeem. So there's some other advanced features as well that have the ability to do this more integration as far as the coupon and the tracking. So that's pretty much a higher level view of the system. I hope that you join us and get started with this offer software. You will thoroughly be pleased. We're making updates to this thing all the time. And guys, this is what I use to manage all of our clients. So talk to you soon.